welcome back to my crafting diary. Today, as you can see, I am making some more trays. I did receive my glass ashtray, and then I'm also doing the stillers, and then I have some new sets here that I need to epoxy and put on my store. And then this one right here is a set, so it comes with that one, and then it also comes with this one here. So these are just like basically one of a kind, so those will just be on there until they sell out. Once they sell out, they sell out. And I'll be doing like more new designs coming soon, so be looking out for that. I have a lot of different like Care Bears. I have SpongeBob, Stitch. I have a lot of different ones, so just be looking out for those. And remember, go check out my Etsy store. And if you use Save 10, you receive 10% off. Or just go to my store. Everything pretty much is on sale.